apartment. So happy. It's been a long time coming. Deerwood 3904. It's been real. It's been fun. It's been rough. Good times, bad times, but it's time good. Since I'm moving, I might as well just do an empty apartment tour of Deerwood. So this is the front door. Ignore this. But this is the front door. You walk in. They do offer valet trash for extra charge. So this is like your front door area. You get a little closet door here. Very nice, very nice. This is the valet trash company. Then I have a 2-bed, 2-bath in the loft. So you walk in to stairs. Pro tip, coming from a person that's moving, you definitely want to keep up with your carpet. It's a lot of carpet here. If you're not into carpet, then this is probably not the apartment for you, especially for the 2-bed, 2-bath in the loft. So this is the living room. Living room, dining room area over here. Here's your kitchen. This is a non-remodeled model, but like the other models look exactly like this. They just have what's it called? Stainless steel appliances. But ignore that, because I mean I've lived here for almost 3 years. So this is your refrigerator. Okay, then we're gonna head to the guest bedroom. This is the guest bedroom. It's pretty spacious. This is a spacious apartment. Very spacious apartment. Let me try that way. This is the guest bathroom. It has a Jack and Jill door. This is the guest bedroom's closet. After you walk out of the guest bedroom, this is the walkway, hall closet area. You get a washer and dryer. Again, we have lived here a long time, and this is a traditional apartment, so the appliances are gonna look a little bit more dated, but very spacious apartment. This is our main bedroom. Enough space. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom area, tub, and then this is the walk-in closet for the main bedroom. And it comes with like the door that's like this with the mirror. Very cute, see. And last but not least, like I said, this is a 2-bed, 2-bath, and a loft. So up here, you have the loft area. Very nice if you want to have like a movie room, man cave, she cave, extra closet, content room. And then here is the loft. And that is it. That is all she wrote. 3904. It's been real. It's been real, it's been trill. Care about y'all. Showed me a good time. This is my first apartment as an adult. So this will forever hold a special place in my heart. But respectfully, it's time for me to go. And yeah. All right, hopefully y'all enjoyed this quick little apartment tour, empty apartment tour. If you are interested in renting in Ocala, I would definitely suggest Deerwood Villages. It's very nice. It doesn't give apartment vibes. It definitely gives like townhouse from the looks of it. I do like a video of outside so you can see. To kind of give like a townhouse, but very nice, very spacious. Just honestly, we just outgrew it here. So I would recommend it to anyone. Very big for a first apartment, but go big or go home. Like my shirt says, very demure, very mindful. But yeah, I'm out of breath. Mouth hurts. But that is it. That is all. And that's all she wrote. Signing out.